Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious turkey burgers. First, let's talk about selecting your ground turkey. For the best results, aim for ground turkey that is at least 93% lean. This balance of lean meat and a little fat ensures your burgers stay juicy and flavorful. Avoid overly lean options, as they can lead to a dry texture. Always check for a light pink color and a fresh scent to ensure quality. Now, let's infuse some amazing flavor into our patties. Finely minced aromatics like onion and garlic, along with fresh herbs such as parsley or sage, will elevate your burger's taste. To help the patties hold their shape, add a binder. 1 egg yolk or 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs per pound of turkey works wonderfully. Don't forget to season generously with salt, black pepper, and a touch of smoked paprika. Next, we'll form our patties for even cooking. Aim for a thickness of about 3/4 of an inch, making them slightly wider than your buns to account for shrinkage. A crucial tip is to make a small indentation in the center of each patty. This prevents them from puffing up into a ball. Cook these beauties on a preheated grill or skillet over medium-high heat for about 5 to 7 minutes per side. Finally, let's ensure our turkey burgers are perfectly cooked and safe to eat. The most important step is to verify that the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Always use a meat thermometer, inserting it into the thickest part of the patty. Once cooked, let your burgers rest for a few minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, resulting in a more succulent and enjoyable meal. Enjoy your homemade turkey burgers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.